Casi. Do you know what it means? Hi everyone, the word of the day is casi. Casi. This means almost. Casi doesn't have a grammatical gender, which means it's not feminine nor masculine. There isn't a plural form. Now let's see a few examples. Casi me caigo. Casi me caigo. Ya casi llego a tu casa. Ya casi llego a tu casa. No había casi nadie en la oficina. No había casi nadie en la oficina. Casi no llego a mi vuelo. Casi no llego a mi vuelo. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to visit smelessons.com where I have more Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!